Hello class, this is teacher Aldea and this is your homework for tonight. Tonight we are going to watch a video about how to write a sentence. So let's get started. The first thing you need to know about writing an English sentence is that there are some things you always need. So you always need a subject and you always need a verb. We're going to learn what those things are today. So let's start with the subject. The subject of a sentence is the first thing that you put. The very first thing in your sentence is going to be the subject. A subject is going to be a noun. Do you remember what a noun is? So just for you to remember, a noun can be a place, a person, or a thing. So a noun can be anything. So anything that you want to talk about, that goes first in the sentence. So if you want to talk about someone, if you want to talk about you, you say I. If you want to talk about your friend, you say you. I, you, he, she, we, they. These are all words that can be the subject of a sentence. But that's not it. Remember, a noun can be any person, place, or thing. So, if we look at this picture and we want to write a sentence about what we see in this picture, we are going to start with the noun. So we're going to start with the thing that we see. What do you see in this picture? So if I want to talk about the boy, I want to write a sentence about this boy. I will start by writing the boy, and that's the subject. And then comes the verb. The verb is an action. An action is something that you do with your body. So we look at the picture and we ask the question, what is the boy doing? And the answer is going to be the verb. Okay, so far, in an English sentence, we have the subject and the verb. First, we write the subject, and then comes the verb. In this picture, if I want to write about the boy, I say, the boy plays. And this is a good English sentence, but I feel like there's something missing. And usually, in an English sentence, we don't only stop at the verb, we usually tell something a little bit more about what the subject is doing. So we can say the boy plays, but we want to continue sometimes giving more information, more ideas about what the boy is doing. Yes, the boy plays, but what else can we say about the boy? We can say the boy plays with the ball, or the boy plays in the park, or the boy plays with his friends. Do you see? We give a little bit more to this sentence. After the verb, we say more. So, plays with what? Plays with who? Plays where? we answer more questions about the boy. And this extra information after the verb is called the object of the sentence. So, let's review what we have learned in this little video. So, in an English sentence, we always have three things. We have the subject, which comes first in the sentence. After the subject comes the verb, which is the action, what the subject is doing. And after the subject comes the object, which is the extra information that we want to add to make our sentence more interesting with more ideas. Now you try. Look at the picture and see if you can make a sentence about anything that you see in the picture. And remember, you need a subject, a verb, and if you want to try, you can add an object. Okay, so you can practice that and we'll talk about it more in class tomorrow. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this video. You guys are working really hard and it's not always easy, but you're doing great and you are awesome. See you tomorrow.